Okay, after you get the window in the opening, you always want to make sure that it's going to lock perfectly. You always want to check your reveal on the top. Make sure that you're pretty good on your reveal from one side to the other. Push that back in, bring this down and lock it. And after it's locked, you always want to look at your weather stripping as well. Look on your edges to make sure everything's pretty well centered up, and make sure you don't have any light coming through. You want to make sure there's no daylight coming through, because if there is, that means that you've got the frame pulled too far. Okay, now that the window's in, you want to go ahead, put your sash stops all back up where they belong. Sometimes if they're a little tough, you just pull them loose. Make sure to snap back in and all the way down. After you get your sash stops all back in, you want to tilt the bottom sash back down, let it down. Then you're going to put your balance covers back in. Put the front side in. Then the back just snaps into place. You want to make sure you get them both in on each side, one on each side. And while you got your sash down, go ahead. Use your adjustment screws. You have the adjustment screws here on the sides. Go ahead and turn those. Right until they hit the wood frame behind it. You just want them snug. You don't want them to where they're twisting the frame. Then you put your balance cover right back in. Do the same on this side. See it right in there.